Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Panerai Luminor Submersible 1950 Carbotech 3-day automatic. And I'll remind you we're here at Wixon Jewelers in Minneapolis, Minnesota, taking a look at this piece. And now let's jump right into this case. So as I said, this is a Carbotech watch, which is made out of Panerai's proprietary Carbotech material, which is a carbon-based material, and it makes this watch extremely light. And this watch needs to be light because it has a 47 millimeter diameter. So pretty much if it was made of any other material, it would be very, very heavy. And I really like the look of this watch. I mean, it is one of the coolest looking watches that I've ever seen personally. And I am not a Panerai fan by any means, but I was really, really stricken by this watch. So it's got Panerai's P9000 movement, which has of course, 3-day power reserve, which is very impressive. And it far surpasses my 48-hour kind of expectation of a high-end wristwatch. But, I mean, everything on this watch is extremely high quality, including the bezel, which I kind of expected to not be as high quality, just based on its kind of look. I don't know why I made that prejudgment, but I was completely incorrect. It is one of the loudest clicking bezels that I've ever experienced. It is a 60-click bezel, and, I mean, it just has a real unique feel. It is, again, it clicks very loud, but it's very sturdy. There's not any real shaking or anything that would denote low quality. And I really like how it has the, I generally don't like aged lume and aged kind of coloring on watches, but I really like the aged indices here and then the aged lume on the dial, especially with that blue contrast. It looks very nice. So, I mean, again, those blue accents on the dial look absolutely fantastic. And now I'll actually move on to a wrist shot of this piece. It comes on a very, very comfortable rubber strap. It's a very high quality rubber strap, and it's thick as well. It has little extenders right here so it can fit better over a dive suit, but I'll try it on now. So as I said, it's got a 47 millimeter case, which is absolutely massive, pretty much by any standard. So it's going to look big on pretty much anyone's size wrist. I have about a 6.5 inch circumference wrist, and it looks huge. But it's such a cool watch, and it kind of plays into the whole Panerai theme to have a watch this big. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.